Hey guys, welcome to Short Nail Life. So on today's video, this is another Madam Glam's video. They reached out and asked me did I want to review any more of their colors. I said yes, of course. They are my favorite gel polish company. I feel like they do it right every single time. I was influenced on the colors I chose today. This one is called Besame. I am probably butchering that name, but this is a beautiful opaque, like aqua blue almost color. And I was influenced by Jess. If you don't know who she is, I will have her channel linked in the description box down below. She does a lot of amazing nail art hauls, so definitely check her out. I also picked up this velvet matte top coat. I've seen this used by so many people. I definitely wanted to try it out. I was trying to show you that it's not as cloudy as other matte top coats, but it works so well. I don't know what it is about their formula, but they just get it right. I'm gonna be honest, they get it right. So this is a gold gel paint. I was influenced by Nail Slayed by Val. She has used this so many times. I definitely had to pick this up. And I was just trying to show you that it's not stringy. It's just, I don't know how to describe the texture, but it's so jam-packed full of sparkles. I love it. And I also picked up the silver paint. Since I got the gold, I had to get a matching set. So I was curious if it had the same specs as like the gel polish bottles, and it does. So all of Madam Glam's polishes are have a 21 free formula. They're HEMA free, cruelty free, palm oil free, and they're a certified vegan polishes. I love that. If you have sensitive skin or allergies to certain things, you may be able to use their polishes. Definitely check them out. There will be a coupon code in the description box down below, along with a link. You can click on that link, pick up the colors you want, and then you would hit pay as you go if you don't want to sign up to be a VIP member, and just put my code in at checkout. So yeah, definitely check out that code to save you an extra little bit of money. And I recommend all of the colors. Everything that I showed you today, I recommend it. I am just building some of the nails up on camera right now. If you need to see a more in-depth tutorial, I do have one. I'll link it up above in the clickable I button. Just some tips so you can know how to build your nails up. But what I was going to say about the gold paint pot, if you do not like gold, you will love this one. I promise. I am not a gold person. I can wear gold or silver on my nails, but I prefer a silver set of nails, if that makes sense. But this gold is not yellow gold, and that's kind of my problem with gold. It's more of like I'm gonna say a champagne, but I don't think it's quite champagne gold, but it is so nice. I really recommend it. I've been looking for this color for a while. I have a few of them, a few golds, and nothing is ever right. This is the perfect gold for me. Honestly, I'm gonna be so honest, this is the perfect gold for me. So yeah, if you don't like gold, I promise you, you will like this one. So definitely check out this color. I really do recommend it. So I have filed and shaped the nails off camera, and I'm just putting on the Madam Glam base coat. You guys know when I some of you know, when I started my YouTube channel, I was so against base coat. There's lots of videos of me telling you how just it has no purpose, but it actually makes your nail polish go on a lot smoother and a lot nicer. What I like about this base coat is once you start seeing me draw, the color did not spread. And a lot of base coats, once you start drawing on top of them, the color will spread. This one stayed exactly where it was supposed to be. I had no issues with that. So yeah, I really do like this base coat. So now I'm taking that Besame color and I'm just creating shapes. So the beauty of this design is you can do whatever you want. It does not have to be perfect shapes. If you mess up, just go with it. Try to make it look like it's supposed to be there, because who will know? Who will know? I feel like that TikTok, nobody's going to know. But yeah, nobody will know unless you tell them that it's a mess up, which I did mess up, and I'll tell you about that in a second. I do want to say that I am curing each nail once I get done with it, and I did do 2 coats on all of this. And if you hear something rumbling, my stomach is growling. I'm sorry, I'm about to go eat. I feel like it's loud. But anyway, this is the nail I messed up on. So I will say that the brush you use is key. I think this brush is too short for me to do this like swirl thing I had going on in my head. But this is the brush that was beside me, so I use it. I made it work. I hear a lot of people recommend the 9mm brush. I don't know if I have one of those because my brushes are not really numbered. So I had to figure that out. But yeah, this brush is a little too short for this design, so I end up having to make it a lot thicker because it just kept messing up with this. But it still turned out pretty cute. I'm obsessed with it. I think it is so pretty. So this nail, I was actually just going to do this one corner, but I was like, it's too much like the first nail, so I needed to make it different. So I decided to do like this little crazy French nail, and I am so obsessed with this look. I feel like I'm always saying I'm obsessed with something, but I love this. This was my favorite one out of all of them. I just think it is so pretty, and I really feel like I need to do this again on another set of nails because I think it turned out so cute. So now I'm just going to go through now and matte top coat all of the nails. Again, I really like this velvet matte top coat. The matte top coats I was using before, they had to be wiped off to even see a matte effect. They were very, I don't know, still shiny when I used them. So yeah, you had to wipe it off because there was definitely a dispersion layer. But this one, you don't have to wipe it off. I do recommend wiping off your matte top coat because there is, even though it's no wipe, there is a dispersion layer. So now I'm just putting that gold on the nail, and I did not top coat this. There is no sticky layer to this. I don't know if you should top coat this, but I didn't. And I did kind of mess up a few other nails. I was very nervous about that because this is a metallic nail, and I know when you take off metallic, sometimes it will kind of spread on the nail and it doesn't really come off. This did a good job coming off. I'm not going to lie. It did a good job. So I was very pleased with it, but I still was very careful. I didn't want to do too much cleanup, but I really do like this design. And I did do 2 coats of these metal lines, not because they really had to. I just wanted to make sure it popped and it read gold, if that makes sense. So like I said, I did not top coat these lines. If I was doing this on my own hand, I probably would top coat these lines. Actually, I would test this out first. And then after that, I would top coat it if I see that I needed to do it. But if you have this and you already know, please let us know in the comment section down below, because I am so curious. Do you have to top coat this? Because I don't feel like you should. There is absolutely no tacky layer. So yeah, let us know. But I'll definitely try this out again on my own hands and I'll let you guys know. But this is the finished product. I am obsessed. I love this design so much. Again, it does not have to be perfect. It could be crazy. It could be out there. It's whatever you feel like you want to do. This is just a simple, easy design. This is perfect for press-ons. If you make press-ons, this is perfect if you have a few minutes and you just need to get out the door. So right now I'm showing you, I decided I wanted to top coat all of the blue area. I did not like it. It did not look good to me. I like it better matte, so let's take it back to matte. And this, to me, this looks so much better. But I just want to say thank you to all of you guys who are watching my videos right now. I truly appreciate it. Thank you if you're subscribing. Thank you so much. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I do new videos twice a week. I want you guys to have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching again. Bye.